The 992 generation Porsche 911 GT3 RS has the most outlandish aerodynamic package of any road-going 911 ever. There's a huge rear wing, active aero elements under the bodywork, carbon fiber fins behind the wheels, and even special fins on the roof. However, aero can always be taken to the next level, and that's exactly what Manthey Racing is doing. About that and the most powerful RS5 coming in this video. Let's dive in. The Manthey Racing team is working on a suite of factory-backed upgrades for the 911 GT3 RS that will be available to purchase directly from Porsche dealerships. A prototype was recently spotted at the Nurburgring, and for as wild as the normal GT3 RS is, Manthey's version somehow makes it look a little undercooked. A larger splitter stands out up front, and like the most severe splitters, it is secured to the bodywork using struts. Two sleek canards are located on either side of the bumper, and the car, like the standard model, has noticeable vents on the bonnet and sharp louvers on the front fenders. Manthey Racing's crazy design appears to have replaced the standard model's two roof fins with larger ones, with up to 8 of them, likely operating as an extreme vortex generator. But what steals the show is a massive shark fin wing that extends from the roof and connects to the rear wing. This type of advanced aerodynamic element is commonly found on prototype race cars, which are meant to push the limits of speed and performance. These prototype vehicles, like those in the LMP1 and the LMP2 classes, use cutting-edge technology and materials to increase downforce while reducing drag. Such components highlight motorsport's continuous quest of performance and efficiency, which has a direct impact on advances in road car technology. Speaking of the wing, it has also been improved. It appears to be around the same height as the standard model, but with significantly larger end plates. It also appears to have a DRS function, which reduces drag on straights. Manthey's upgrades continue with a larger rear diffuser and aero covers for the rear wheels. The stock 911 GT3 RS can already generate up to 1,895 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour, which is twice as much as the previous 991 generation 911 GT3 RS, so Manthey has their work cut out for them. This model has almost 700 components specifically designed for the 992 generation. For the previous 911 GT3 RS, Manthey upgrades also included a custom engine cover, adjustable coilovers, custom brake pads, custom brake lines. So many of these, and possibly more, should be part of the upgrades for the latest car. These upgrades often include technology derived from the 911 RSR, a car that won its class at the 24 Hours of Le Mans multiple times. Manthey upgrades are typically limited to aerodynamics, brakes, and suspension. This means the 911 GT3 RS's 4-liter flat-six engine should still produce 518 horsepower, with power delivered to the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Even if peak power remains unchanged, Manthey's efforts on the car should cut the stock ring time of 6:49 by several seconds. What are your thoughts on this car? Let me know in the comments below, and now let's move on. CarSpyMedia recently spotted prototypes of what appears to be a high-performance RS5 model, providing a glimpse of the potential design for the new RS5. The current Audi A5 family consists of coupe, convertible, and hatchback body styles. However, the new generation is expected to include a new A5 Avant wagon. The RS5 Avant will replace the current RS4 Avant sold overseas, reflecting a change in Audi's naming strategy. This new strategy, announced last year, assigns odd numbers to models with internal combustion engines and even numbers to electric models. Therefore, the next A4 will likely be an electric vehicle. The latest prototype can be identified as an RS5 Avant rather than a regular A5 Avant because of the additional intakes in the front fascia, wider fenders, large cross-drilled brake rotors, and cutouts in the rear fascia for signature RS oval exhaust tips. Note that the exhaust tips on the prototype appear to be temporary units. The prototype features both a fuel filler cap and a charging port, indicating a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Yellow warning stickers on the windscreen, visible in some shots, also suggest some form of electrification. The latest video from CarSpyMedia suggests that the internal combustion component of the hybrid setup may be a V6 engine. Rumors suggest that this could be the same twin turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 found in the current RS5. The current RS5 offers 444 horsepower, but the next model is expected to deliver significantly more power to compete with the 671 horsepower Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 SE Performance, which is a plug-in hybrid as well. Audi has confirmed that the new A5 Avant and the S5 Avant will debut later this year, with the RS5 Avant likely to follow next year. That's all I have for now on the upcoming Audi RS5 Avant. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest car news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.